How to keep LastPass logged in. So first is just simply navigate to your extensions here on the top right, click on it, then click on manage extensions. Then once you're here, just simply click on details. So make sure that it is on LastPass, then click on details. Scroll down till you see the extension options. So just simply click on that and make sure that these two options are not checked out. And also make sure that you don't have your browser auto deleting your browsing data. And to check that, you simply need to go to your browser settings, then you go to privacy and security. Then there should be an option right here where it says delete browsing data. And if you go on exit, make sure that you don't have this checked on, which is the passwords and other sign-in data. Because if that is checked, every time you exit out of your browser, everything logs out and stuff. And also all the other stuff right here, make sure that those are not checked out. And also as long as your extension is right here and not disabled, your LastPass should not have any problems. And that is how you basically keep your LastPass logged in.